tend to assume our world is a regular place, predictable, and subject to scientific reasoning. We believe that everything operates under unshakable laws of gravity. Rocks are stationary, and mountains stand still. Yet, from time to time, the Earth behaves almost like a living entity. It whispers unexpected secrets through storms and barren lands, revealing phenomena that should not exist. Stones that leave tracks across empty valleys on their own, roads that seemingly bend, the rules of gravity, glowing spheres born from thunder, and cliffs that look as if they were shaped by an otherworldly hand. These are the moments that make us pause and ask, is this still the Earth we know, or is it a far stranger reality? Because perhaps the planet we call home holds secrets much more extraordinary than it appears. So sit back and get ready, because what you are about to see might fundamentally change the way you look at Earth. The mysterious travelers of Death Valley. In the heart of California's Death Valley, a sun-scorched, vast, barren desert landscape stretches out. Scorching temperatures, cracked sands, and whispering winds. In this seemingly motionless plain, something that shouldn't happen is observed. Scattered across a dry lake bed are flat stones, some no bigger than a fist, others as large as a suitcase, and over time they move slowly, with deliberate motion, leaving long, twisting trails etched into the cracked mud. Some change direction, some spin. For decades, the scientific world and explorers were perplexed. Could the wind be strong enough to push such large stones? Impossible. Were humans secretly moving them? Not very convincing. Was there a magnetic effect beneath the ground? No theory made sense. These rocks seemed to defy the fundamental laws of physics. Legends and supernatural theories multiplied, but there was no definitive answer, until careful observation revealed the truth hidden within nature itself. During rare winter rains, a thin layer of ice would form beneath the stones. When the sun rose, the ice would begin to melt, slightly lifting the rocks. It was then that even the gentlest breeze was enough to set them sliding across the slick mud, thus creating the mysterious trails that remained unsolved for years. Although a simple, natural explanation, it remained one of Earth's most captivating secrets for decades. Stones moving on their own in one of the hottest and driest places on the planet. This event is silent proof that nature can hold incredible mysteries, even in the most familiar the optical play of magnetic hill. In the northern region of India, there is a place where gravity seems to bend, where the rules of physics appear to falter, and where vehicles roll uphill as if pulled by an invisible force. This is Magnetic Hill, a stretch of road that has puzzled travelers for decades, where cars and motorcycles creep upwards against the slope without their engines running or anyone pushing them. Observers begin to question their own senses. Local legends and tales speak of mystical energies and magnetic forces passed down through generations, inspiring awe but leaving science with more questions than answers. Both curious travelers and scientists have attempted to explain this phenomenon. Careful measurements revealed that the slope was deceptive. The horizon was tilted, creating an optical illusion. A slight downhill slope appeared to be an incline, forcing the eyes and mind to perceive the impossible. Nevertheless, standing there and watching a car slowly roll uphill, it is impossible not to feel the thrill and mysterious fascination that comes with knowing that nature and perception can combine to create a moment that defies expectation. The geological wonder of Giant's Causeway, along the rugged northern coast of Ireland, where waves crash mercilessly and mist rolls in, lies a formation so perfect, so alien in its geometry, that it seems as if giants once walked these shores, shaping each stone with deliberate precision. This is the Giant's Causeway, an expanse of over 40,000 basalt columns. Each one is hexagonal in shape, interlocked like pieces of an enormous cosmic puzzle. Some rise only a few inches, while others tower several meters high, forming steps that stretch from the cliffs into the sea. For centuries, locals have told the story of the legendary Irish giant Finn McCumhall, who supposedly built this causeway to cross to Scotland and challenge his rival. Each column, they say, is a footprint of his immense strength. It is a monument of myth that has stood the test of time. However, the truth is even more astonishing than the mythology. Millions of years ago, molten lava erupted from deep beneath the Earth's crust. As it cooled, it contracted and fractured, forming thousands of near-perfect hexagonal columns, a completely natural process that occurred with incredible precision, without any human hands or tools. Only the raw, irresistible power of nature created this structure that gives the impression of intentional design. The enigmatic light of ball lightning. For centuries, travelers, sailors, and scientists have reported a phenomenon so strange and fleeting that it seems ripped from the pages of a mythology book. Glowing spheres of electricity suspended in the air, moving unpredictably and vanishing without a trace. This is ball lightning, a rare and mysterious form of lightning that has both fascinated and terrified humans for generations. Unlike the sharp streaks of typical lightning, these spheres of light can hover, drift through walls, pass over water, and sometimes explode silently or with a sudden, loud crack. Accounts date back hundreds of years. Sailors terrified by glowing spheres dancing on deck, soldiers watching spheres silently hover over battlefields. The world struggled to explain them, and for centuries, they remained a ghost in the sky scene but almost never understood. Modern science offers possible explanations: plasma formations, rare electrical discharges, chemical reactions in the atmosphere. However, no theory fully captures the unpredictable behavior of ball lightning. Its appearance is random, its movements erratic, and its behavior challenges the known rules of physics. Mount Roraima, the mysterious plateau, rising nearly 3,000 meters above the jungle floor at the meeting point of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. Mount Roraima is a place unlike any other, a mist-shrouded uncrowded plateau whose sheer cliffs rise like stone walls, seemingly dividing the sky. From a distance, it gives the impression of a giant floating island suspended between clouds and earth. Its flat top is hidden by swirling fog, a place untouched by human hands, as if the planet itself kept it a secret for millions of years. Climbing its cliffs is like stepping into another realm. Waterfalls cascade from the edges, carving channels into the rock, and strange, ancient plants grow in isolated pockets, many found nowhere else on Earth. The air is thick with mist. The scent of unknown flora is heavy, and the silence is profound, broken only by the whispers of the wind or the distant calls of exotic birds. Legends describe it as a sacred place, home to spirits, and a plateau suspended between heaven and earth. Scientists study its unique ecosystem, discovering species that challenge our understanding of evolution, life that has survived in isolation for millions of years, shaped by weather, rock, and time itself. Even today, large sections of Arima remain unexplored. Hidden behind sheer cliffs and clouds, it is inaccessible to all but the most determined explorers. This is a living testament that Earth still holds unsolved secrets, and that some corners of our world remain untouched, alien, and breathtakingly mysterious.